If you are searching for how to get the maximum possible discount while buying your hosting from HostingGrid, then you have to watch this full video, because in this video I'm going to explain you the step-by-step process on how to get the maximum possible discount while buying your hosting from HostingGrid. So first of all, you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. You are going to be landed on the page like this, where you can see that the Black Friday deals are already running on, where you can even get as much as 81% discount. Plus, I'm going to give you two of the coupon code through which you are going to get further discount on an already running this deals. But before I'm going to tell you the coupon codes, I'm going to tell you something about Hostinger. Their amazing, reviews. Just look around on Trustpilot, Google Host Advice, WP Beginner, everyone praising them for their services. Now you can choose their web hosting plans. Their plans are very famous with their increased performance services, daily backups, CDN, free domain. Some plans are WordPress and WooCommerce optimized. Now do your research on what functions and features you may need. What I specifically exclusively like about Hostinger is their enhanced DDoS protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, secure access manager, and they also provide free domain host privacy protection. And then you are getting 30 days money back guarantee with all of their plans, which is an amazing features. 99.9% uptime guarantee and global data centers. When it comes to global data centers, you can see that they have data centers all around in the world, in the USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So you have ample of options to choose on. And then you can see that they provide with their own website solution builder, which I have already told you about. And they provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology, which is at least 3 times faster if you compare them with their competitors. And now they also provide you with 24/7 support, and they also provide you free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. And you can see that currently more than 2 billion people are using it. Now to get the maximum possible discount, you can see that this plan has 81% discount. So now simply select this plan. Now simply select the add to cart, click on the add to cart, and we are going to redirect you to another page. On that page, we are going to see the summary of what we are going to buy from Hostinger. You can see over here the details are over here right now. Now then choose your billing period. They offer 4 billing periods, and the 48 months is definitely the bargain. So now choose your billing period as 48 months, because that is going to save you the most and maximum amount of money. Now synchronize with your Google or Facebook account, or write your own email ID over here to create your new account with Hostinger, and then select your payment method. They offer 5 payment methods: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and GoInGate. And in some countries they even offer you even more payment methods customized for those specific countries. And then select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. And now simply select the apply button, and you can see that the price code of further discount. There is another coupon code as well, which you can also find in the description of this video along with a special discount link, and that is with HI10. And you can use either of the coupon code, and you're going to get the same amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting with Hosting, and enjoy your hosting with these maximum discount codes. Good luck.